Hey guys, I'm back again. This is just a bit of a off-the-cuff video. I've just collected this. It's a LG TurboDrum. It's only got half a lid. It's an LG TurboDrum direct drive, 8 kilo top loader washer. It's one of the unique ones. It's like the original TurboDrum. So if you can see this, there is no pulsator there. That's actually all just part of the tub. The tub is the agitator. There is no separate agitator. So it's a true turbo drum in that it uses the entire drum to agitate the clothes, and it does that by pulsing the drum back and forth in quick succession, and also by doing lots of wave forces. Which, if you're not familiar with those, it just basically throws the drum into a spin, and yeah, that kind of forces water and detergent through the clothes. There's a lint filter in the middle here. It's not clean because I've just picked it up. It's for free. I got it for free because it's got a leak, but the lint filter just sits in the middle there. That just sits on top. So we'll have to give that a clean out. It's got a standard detergent drawer, detergent softener. It's got a fairly unique, kind of quirky looking control panel. We good? Yes. Makes that noise. It's going to flash. It's not flashing in real life, it's just the camera that's making it do it. Come on. Focus. Why isn't it focusing? Come on. Focus for me, please. Thank you. It's got a stain level selection, water level selection, which you can do anywhere from small up to extra large, anywhere in between, light, medium and heavy soil. Got a silent option, which obviously makes it run a bit quieter. Water temperature, you just basically select whichever solenoid you want, so cold and hot obviously opens both of them, so it gets warm, and then hot, and then cold, and then back to water temp. You can independently select your wash, rinse and spin sequence. Your wash is in minutes, your rinse, you select how many times you want it to rinse, and you select how many minutes you want it to spin. You can also do a soak at the start there, so you can basically customize your entire wash cycle, which is pretty cool. It's got a motor speed indicator, where all that basically does is there's a little light that just spins around back and forth to show you what the motor's doing. Basically, that's assuming you've got the lid down and you're not really paying too much attention, like basically not what I'm doing. Programs, you've got delicate, you got speedy, jeans, delicates, wools and normal. Not quite sure what they all do yet. I've only tried normal. So, and it's the 8 kilogram TurboDrum direct drive. Pretty unique. But anyway, I've just taken a few videos of it, so I'm just going to stick them on the end of this, and then you can see what each sequence looks like. Yeah, really unique machine. Glad to have found it. Even better that it's found it for free. So enjoy.